This is the great gate of our new John Dewey Metric School, Villupuram. Everyone are welcome to the world of learning through this entrance. The joy of learning starts right from here. We have a beautiful workplace, probability where the functioning of the school starts. Management room. Collaborative learning space designed for fostering communication, planning, and innovation in education. This is the principal room. It is the room where the day schedule is carried out to the teachers and students. United in faith and purpose, the school community gathers in prayer, finding strength and inspiration in togetherness. Providing water is the best service for livelihood. We have row facility, the best service rendered by our school management. A vibrant and playful kindergarten classroom designed to spark creativity, imagination, and joyful learning for young minds. We have a well-equipped computer lab and robotics lab. Our students built themselves the art of intelligence through AI. Students enjoy playing carom, improving focus, precision, and teamwork. Our students engage in chess, developing strategic thinking and problem-solving skills. Keyboard room. A space where harmony and togetherness thrive as students create music that unites hearts and minds. This is our table tennis room, where our players practice every day. They practice sincerely for state selection here. Library. A sanctuary of knowledge where real growth happens, one book and one mind at a time. We have a well-designed hygienic restroom. A joyful heaven where laughter echoes and happiness blossoms as kids explore, play, and grow together. Our school features a top-tier sports ground with a running track, long jump pit, and courts for volleyball, lawn tennis, and handball, providing the perfect space for our students to excel in sports and showcase their talents. Our students took part in the NSO exam and got 28 gold medals. John Dewey Intra-School Competition, our students bagged many prizes in skipping and scientific innovation. Our CEO, Mr. Arivhallagan, appreciated the district winners, A. Harini and J. Aisha Jaireen of Standard 7, for the best project in the National Science Congress. We have wonderful band troupe who have participated in all the school events and college events. K. Abdul Fasih and T. Puviram of Standard 8 got first place, and our Haripraveen and C. Nithyapriyan of Standard 8 got second place. Our students have participated in district and state-level competitions and won prizes in various games such as chess, table tennis, carom, silambam, gymnastics, hurdles, swimming, and lawn tennis. We follow lead a multimodal theme-based curriculum for class 1 to 4. We are happy to inform you that we have been producing CENTEM results for the past 14 years. Mr. Udyanidhi Stalin, Deputy CM, honored Mr. Dr. Emerson Robin, Administrative Officer of the new John Dewey Metric School Villupuram, for producing CENTEM results in the board exam. We achieved CENTEM result in Standard 10th. M. Gobinath secured 486 out of 500 and came first. Ukiruba Nithi secured 485 out of 500 and came second. Loyola Academy conducted an exam in which 6 of our students achieved. 6 students were selected for the second level. A science book Thulir is issued and Thulir exams are conducted for students. Hindi Prathimik and Madhyama exams are conducted every year and certificates are issued. Our AHO sir appreciated S. Jesha Rossi of Standard 4, who took part in the International Book of Records, Girivala Natyanjali. She performed around 14 kilometers circumference of the Girivala path and achieved the record. New John Dewey, Villupuram. Our new John Deverians took part in JD Academic Fest and bagged up many prizes. The school pupil leaders and house representatives are elected. Ashrad was elected as SPL and Sanasri as ASPL. Mrs. Renuka Devi, Inspector of Police, presided over the function. A talent hunt show was conducted where every individual talent was brought out. They were rewarded by Mrs. Chitra, Deputy Director of Vinayak Mission Research Foundation. A scout camp was conducted by Mrs. N. Sai Subulakshmi, M.Sc., M.Ed., M.Phil, DEO of a private school, who was the chief guest. PHF RTN R.K. Durai Raj, President of Rotary Club, gave awareness to avoid plastic. An awareness among the students is created by our chief guest Mr. Vellai Thangam, Sub-Inspector of Police on Drugs and Usage of Mobile. A special awareness program for girl children was arranged, and Mrs. Jayashri Natrajan MBBS, MS introduced the HPV vaccine. Foundation course for NEET and JEE is running good in our campus. Mr. Siva, educationalist, gave a clear explanation in the parents' meeting. Mr. K.C. Alivasan, District Sports Youth Welfare Officer, presided over the function. Our kindergarten students took part actively in all the games. An exhibition for science and computer was held. Many students put forth their ideas and explained them well. Kindergarten students were taken to nearby places like the mall, collector, office, textile shop, market, and railway station. Our students were taken to the book fair conducted at Neyveli. A wonderful collection of books were exhibited in our school book fair. Christmas, Pongal, Diwali, Ramzan are celebrated in grand manner. Independence Day and Republic Day celebration added patriotism among students. This year, we have launched a new sport, archery, a focused and determined game. Inter-school Silambam competition was held. Many students took part and won prizes. S. Nithishwaran and Bharat Krishna participated in state-level competition. An interesting learning activity by the name Mom and Me was conducted for kindergarten. Learning between parents and child took place simultaneously. Our student participated in intra-chess tournament and bagged up many prizes. This year, we engage students with new technology learning through virtual reality.